Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Travelling Couple WL. We're heading to Cameron Highlands. Before that, we're going to be heading to Teluk Intan to see the Leaning Tower. Yes, there is a Leaning Tower in Malaysia. There is an entrance fee of $2 Malaysian ringgit. During the weekdays, it's open from 8 to 5, and on the weekends from 9 to 6 p.m. The tower was built in 1885 by Leong Chun Chong. The tower functioned as a water reservoir for the town. In 1894, a chiming clock was purchased from J.W. Benson and installed. Since then, the tower was no longer a water tank, but a clock tower. The tower stands at 25 meters high with 110 steps. The causes of the Leaning Tower is the soft ground on which it was built on, as well as the weight of the water in the water tank. If you are here during the night, you can take some beautiful night shots of the tower. Time to head off to our next destination. We are heading to Lata Iskandar Waterfall. From Teluk Intan is about a 1.5 hours drive. You will know you will have arrived as the traffic was slow and there are shops on either side. When we got here, most of the shops were closed. There were 2 stores selling snacks and drinks. Some of the stores that were not open were selling local handicrafts. There are no admission fees or opening hours. You can hike to the top of the waterfall using the stairs on the side. You can take a dip in the pools of water. As it started to rain, we had to leave. We will head straight to the hotel. From the waterfalls to Hotel Dela Ferns, it will take about 1 hour and 10 minutes. We made bookings for Hotel Dela Ferns through the Agoda site. We booked the deluxe room without balcony for around 72 Australian dollars. There are parking spots around the property. As you enter the hotel, there's a foyer with seating areas. This is the reception area. There is only one lift in the hotel. Our rooms were on the 4th floor. It was a very spacious room. Tea, coffee and bottled water was provided. There's a bar fridge for any extra drinks. Also a safe in the wardrobe. The bathroom was very big. It had a bath and shower combo. A few amenities were provided. The window can be opened to let the cool air in. Let's take a look at the other room, 403. It has a slightly different layout. This room has a cute little balcony. It was time to Google what to have for dinner. About a 6 minutes drive from Hotel Dela Ferns is Highland Steamboat Cheese and Grill. You will need to park on the side of the road and cross this bridge. This restaurant was a buffet and prepayment was needed. It was $40 Malaysian ringgit per person. And if you wanted cheese, it was another $10 Malaysian ringgit. You will get a choice of soup bases. You can help yourself to as much food as you want. It is a halal restaurant. There are various marinated lamb, chicken, beef, a few types of sauces, and various vegetables. A range of seafood and various types of fish balls. You can get an ice cream in a cone and with various toppings. You can also get a waffle made here. This restaurant had a very high Google rating. In our opinion, it wasn't the best Steamboat restaurant we've had. Have you tried this restaurant? Let me know in the comments below what you think of it. Beside the restaurant is a small kids' entertainment area. It's time to head back to the hotel for a big day tomorrow. Our stay included breakfast at the hotel restaurant. There was congee with a small selection of condiments. There are 3 different types of noodles for your broth. They also serve local Malay, Chinese, and Western food. There's a small selection of cereals. You can help yourself to coffee or tea and orange juice. After breakfast, we checked out and headed to Flora Park. From the hotel, it was about a 15-minute drive. If you are driving, you will need to type into Google Maps Flora Park parking. Parking here is not free. You'll be transported to the park via these trucks. As you arrive, you'll be amazed at the walls of flowers. At the entrance, you will need to purchase your tickets. Adults cost 50 Malaysian ringgit. Kids 4 to 12 cost 25 Malaysian ringgit. 3 years old and under are free. The ticket includes unlimited time at the park and return trip to the car park. Flora Park is open from 9:30 to 7 every day. They also offer picnic sets, which must be pre-purchased online. The park is separated into 2 areas, indoors and outdoors. Hobart House is a new area which just opened. There are a few cafes where you can chill and admire the blooms. If you are thinking of bringing a drone, sorry, it's not allowed. As we head to the top section, there is another cafe where you can get a view of the indoor area. The park area is not wheelchair friendly. This is another cafe just before the outdoor area. It is an uphill walk via these stairs to the top. It can be a challenging walk for the elderly and the young kids. Cameron Highland Flora Park has become an Instagrammable attraction since it's opened its doors on the 1st of November 2021. After all the walking, it's time to quench our thirst and have a bite. It was quite pricey. I recommend that you arrive early to avoid the crowd. We were amongst the first lot to arrive when the park opened. There were short queues to take that perfect Instagram shot. For your ride back to the car park, you will need to show them your tickets at the pickup point. Have you been to Flora Park? What did you think of it? Let me know in the comments below. From Flora Park, we headed to BOH Tea Centre. It was about a 20-minute drive. There are plenty of parking spots in the car park and it's free. With a lot of tourists coming to this tea centre, it is recommended you come early. From the car park, it is a bit of a walk and stairs to climb. If you're not a fan of stairs and walking, there are other tea plantations which you can park and walk in. As you reach the top, to the left is the cafe. You can purchase a cuppa with some scones and sip with a view of the plantation. At the end of the cafe is a balcony where you can get a panoramic view. On the other side of the cafe is the gift centre. You can purchase beautifully packed teas. They stock flavoured and original teas. You can choose from tea bags or loose leaf tea. We couldn't spend much time here as we needed to head to our next destination. I hope you've enjoyed watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the notification bell. You can also follow us on Instagram, The Travelling Couple WL or TTCWL. As always, thanks for watching and see you in my next video.